Sophia is happy, as you can tell. She has a new product to unbox and assemble for you guys. Go check this out. This video is brought to you by Peyela. Cat Hammock unboxing. You like it, Sophia? I know, huh? This comes with 6 long tubes, 2 T-tubes, 2 elbow tubes, 2 screw suctions, 2 short tubes, 2 suction cups, wire rope, and the mesh. You're just going to connect 2 long tubes with the short tubes, and then you're going to insert this one into the mesh. I like this mesh because it's really thick and sturdy. So that's a good quality mesh that we can use for this one. Oh, she likes it already. Do you like it, Mama? Yeah? She's excited already to have this one. So we're going to connect the T-tubes and the elbow tube to the 2 ends of the long tubes, and we will put the wire rope on the elbow tube. So now we're pressing tightly at each joint position, then fold the Velcro to wrap and stick on. This is the part that's somewhat hard because I was not able to figure out how to separate this one into two. So Sebastian is the one who figured it out. And then, yeah. Here. Come, Sophia. Here. Here. Sophia cannot really wait for her new hammock. She's playing with me the whole time when we were trying to put this one together, and she's really waiting for this one to be done. Here it is, and it's sturdy. So it's a very simple thing to install, and it's sturdy. And then when you want to take it off, you just need to pull it. There you go. It's ready. Nice. You like it? Go. Sophia is even pouring with this one. She really loves it. That means she loves it at all. Thank you very much, Peyela. This is the hammock that they gave us to review. It is a really good one. It's easy to assemble. It's sturdy, and Sophia approves. She approves. You like it? Thank you very much for watching. We will see you again in the next video. We love you all. Bye.